Lee County, Florida experienced major hurricane damage due to Hurricane Irma in 2017. The severe hurricane caused extensive damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure throughout Lee County. The powerful storm flooded communities with extensive storm surge and brought massive winds that caused severe structural damage. Many homes were destroyed by the hurricane, leaving many families without shelter. Roads throughout the county were extensively damaged due to debris and fallen trees. Businesses, both large and small, experienced significant damage from the storm. Flooding caused much of the damage, particularly in low-lying areas. Many areas of Lee County were without power during the storm, which exacerbated the damage caused by the hurricane. Property owners throughout the county were faced with extensive cleanup and repair tasks. The loss of utilities was one of the major problems confronting business owners and homeowners alike. Ongoing restoration efforts are still being implemented throughout Lee County to repair the hurricane damage. Many areas of the neighboring counties were also affected by the hurricane, adding to the extensive damage. The cleanup efforts take time and require cooperation from all involved. The county government is providing assistance to those in need to help them recover and rebuild. The Federal Emergency Management Agency is providing relief to Lee County to help repair and rebuild. A variety of aid organizations are also providing support and resources to help those impacted by the storm. Volunteers and aid groups have stepped in to help the communities affected by the hurricane. It will take some time for the county to fully recover from the damage caused by the hurricane. Many people have lost their homes and possessions due to the storm's destruction. Lee County will need to assess and address the full extent of the damage caused by the hurricane. The roads need to be repaired and the power restored in order for businesses and homeowners to recover. Rebuilding homes and replacing destroyed property will take some time, as well as resources. Security and safety of the people is one of the main priorities of the local government. Debris needs to be cleared and houses and businesses need to be inspected for any structural damage. Recovery efforts need to begin immediately in order to reduce the long-term effects of the hurricane.